Hi guys, Official Ma here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we'll talk about men's relationship and how to get you your dream girl. If you know this kind of content interests you, please hit the subscribe button down below, and with that being done, let's proceed to the video. In today's video, we're going to be speaking about how to know a girl loves you, things that women do for only men that they love. So I'm going to be mentioning 9 of these things according to my knowledge and from a human's perspective also. You might want to share this video to a girl or your female friend to at least attest that what I'm saying is true. So are you ready? Because I am. Let's jump right into the video. Number one sign that a girl loves you is that she gives you undivided attention. Yeah, when you guys are talking, whenever you guys are together, you don't see this person like pressing their phone often or trying to communicate with some other person, or when you're calling this person would not say things like I'm going to call you back later, and they never call back later, or things like, oh, I want to close my fridge, or my grandma fell down and I want to, like, so many silly excuses. When a girl doesn't like you, you hear those kind of excuses. You hear those kind of silly excuses, things that doesn't really make any sense. They don't want to communicate with you. But when a girl likes you, she always wants to communicate with you. Whenever you guys are together, she always gives you undivided attention. She's focused solely on you, and you would not beg for attention, or you would not beg for this person's time. I feel like people always make out time for things that they love. If someone loves something, definitely they would make out time for it, because no matter how busy you are as a human being, you still make out time to it. If someone loves you, if a girl loves you, definitely she would make out time for you, and she would give you undivided attention. She wants to speak to you. She wants to be in constant communication with you. Number 2 way to know that a girl loves you is that she takes the initiative, like she plans dates. Like, I know that most times women love men that can take the lead. Women love men to take the lead while they follow. Women love men that are leaders. But when a girl loves you, sometimes she might plan a surprise date. She takes the initiative, and sometimes she takes responsibility to do things for you. She makes out time to do things for you. Number 3 way to know that a girl loves you is that she gets jealous. Yeah, too much jealousy definitely is bad. It's a red flag. But once in a while, if you really love someone, if a girl really loves you, she gets jealous. For example, you go out and you're maybe looking at some other girl or anything, or some other girl comes to talk to you or something, you see that her countenance will change almost immediately. She gets jealous. Like, she gets jealous when she sees you with some other people, or she sees people trying to like be with you or something. But a girl that doesn't love you, no matter what you do, no matter where you go, no matter whatever you do, she doesn't care. Even if she sees you with like 10 women at once, she doesn't care. It's none of her business. It's normal for girls to get jealous whenever they see their significant other with some other person. But where you should draw the line, or where it becomes a red flag, is if that person is willing to let their jealousy push them to do things that are awkward or things that they are not supposed to do. Number 4 way to know that a girl loves you is that she encourages you. She's there for you. Whenever you're going through a hard time, you don't see this person suddenly disappear, because some people always come to people's life whenever it's good, whenever things are going good, whenever things are going rosy. But when things are going bad, or whenever there's a bad time, they always disappear. But when a girl loves you, she'll be there with you in your good times and also your bad times. She tries to encourage you when things go bad, or when things are not moving as it's supposed to be. For example, you're working towards a visa application got turned down and you're feeling sad, or maybe you want a promotion at your job and you did not get the promotion. You worked hard towards this thing, or a particular exam you did not pass. She'll be there for you. She will encourage you, and she'll try every possible way to cheer you up and make you feel better, because she doesn't like seeing you sad. She's there for you, and she encourages you, and she talks you through those your bad times. Number 5 way to know that a girl loves you is that she shares things with you. When a girl loves you, you know that women have money. Like, forget this notion when people like girls who say, oh, I did not call you back because I don't have airtime, or I did not take your calls because I don't have data. If you want me to pick your call, subscribe to my phone or send me airtime or something. When a girl loves you, you will know that women have money. She would want to share with you. Like, she would want to share with you. It doesn't matter if she has so much or little. Even that little, she would want to share it with you. It's from the little things that you would know if this person would do something bigger for you. Like, if someone cannot share with you when they have little, trust me, they would never share with you when they have so much. Like, it's from the little thing that you would know if this person would want to share with you, because true love is not selfish. When someone loves you, they would not be selfish towards you. They would want to share with you. That's one thing that you have to understand. So if a girl is constantly telling you that, oh, I'm not picking your calls because I don't have airtime, I don't have data, there's a very huge chance that this person doesn't like you as much as, because when girls love you, forget these things that people say that, oh, women are this, women are, she would give you would know that women have money. She would want to share with you in the little way that she has. Number 6 way to know that a girl truly loves you is that she remembers things. She remembers details of your conversation. She remembers those little things. You told her something yesterday. Okay, I want to go to this place tomorrow, or I have these tasks to achieve or something. You'll be surprised the next day you guys are talking, she'll ask you about that stuff. Okay, this thing that you said that day, are you able to do it? That thing that you said that day, are you able to do it? She remember little details of your conversation. But when a girl doesn't love you, she doesn't remember things, even the big things that you say, she doesn't remember. You told this person that you're not feeling too well a day before, and the next day this person is angry that you've not given this person the money that she asked you for, but you told this person that you are not feeling too well. But in the real sense of things, this person doesn't remember because she wasn't listening in the first place. When someone loves you, they want to listen. They want to know everything about you. They want to they want to know the core things about you. Like, they want to know you inside out. But when a girl doesn't love you, she would not remember things about you. She would not remember details of your conversation because this person obviously wasn't listening in the first place. So you have to pay attention to this. If you have to remind this person over and over again about a particular thing that you say to this person, it simply means that this person wasn't listening in the first place. And why are they not listening? Because they don't care, obviously. You cannot force these things. If people don't love you, they would not want to know anything about you. They would not even want to care about you in the first place. They don't remember the things that you say to them because they weren't listening in the first place. They weren't listening to you. She wants to get involved in the crucial things of your life. She wants to get involved in your daily routine, and she also wants you to get involved in her life. Also, she asks you about if she wants to make a big decision, she wants to make a crucial decision, she asks for your opinion. She updates you about her daily routine. She updates you about her day-to-day activities before she makes any step. She tells you about it. She tells you about her plans. She tells you things that she wants to achieve. She tells you about her goals, and she also asks for your own opinion. But when someone doesn't love you, all of a sudden, you just learn that this person did this particular thing. All of a sudden, you talked to this person a day before, and the next day they traveled, but they never told you that they were traveling. And it's not as if this trip came as something that is impromptu. All of a sudden, this person makes crucial decisions without letting you know. You're dating someone and the person is processing their visa to travel out, and they never tell you about it. And all of a sudden, you just see this person maybe a day before their trip. They tell you that, okay, I'll be doing this, I'll be doing that, and you're lost all of a sudden. But this person is trying to set up a new business and they never tell you anything about it. And all of a sudden, that plan comes to reality. When you're supposedly to be in a relationship with that person, this person never updates you about any single thing. All of a sudden, you just see the manifestation of their plans all of a sudden, and they never tell you about what they want to do. But when a girl loves you, she tells you about her plans, and she also asks for your opinion. Okay, I want to set up this business. How do you see it? What do you think about it? This, that, okay, I want to take this program. I want to go for my master's. What do you think about it? Like, how do you see it? And also, you give them your own opinion. This person makes you feel among. I don't know if that is the right word. Like, they include you in things. Like, they make you feel seen, and they also make you feel heard. Number 7 way to know that a girl loves you is that she talks about the future plans. She talks about future plans with you, like you're in that picture. When she's talking about her future, it's not I, it's not me. She always makes use of we. You have to pay attention to these things. You have to pay attention to these pronouns. If someone is talking about the future and they're always saying I, me, simply means that they don't see you in their future. They don't include you in their future. But also knows that you have to know the time frame in which you've known this person. You don't expect someone that's known you for, like, some people actually know these things early. I'm not going to dismiss that fact, but it's also a factor. If you have not been with this person for long, you have to give them time to, incorporate you and see you in their future. But if you've known this person for long, you've been with this person together for long, and this person never talks about the future with you, just know that this person doesn't see you in their future. She cares about your future plans because she wants to know if she's also in the picture, because she obviously have put you in the picture. Number 9 way to know a girl truly loves you is that she mirrors you. She mirrors your actions. You've been with this person for some time and you notice that this person starts saying some words that you used to say, some exclamations, like some kind of exclamations that you used to say, some kind of things that you used to say, some words that you used to say, or maybe your action, maybe the way you stand or the way you do things. Basically, you see that this person starts mirroring your actions. This person starts becoming like you in a way, and you see that you start thinking alike, you start reasoning alike. So in everything that I said, if you're opportune to meet this kind of person, if you're opportune to see this kind of person, you can relate to most of these points that I said in this video, please hold them tight. If you're opportune to see someone that truly loves you in this day and age, please hold them tight. Don't allow social media to deceive you and you feel like, okay, there are other fishes in the sea, or you want to take advantage of the love that they have for you. In this day and time, it's very difficult to come across a person that truly and genuinely loves you for who you are. In this era of love of money and lust, it's very difficult for people to see people that genuinely love them. So if you see this kind of people, hold them tight and don't allow social media to deceive you. Okay, don't want to join our Telegram channel. We are going to be coming live every first Saturday of the month. We are going to have different programs that we are going to be engaging on, and details about that is in the Telegram channel. Give this video a very big thumbs up if you found this video very useful, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button to be part of our growing community. I love you guys all and see you in my next video. Cheers.